A good education is extremely essential to grow and succeed in life. St. Mary's Cbse Senior Secondary School is a school where you will see people from around the world. You will have the opportunities for learning, acquiring knowledge, abilities, moral values, ideologies and attitudes. We have highly skilled teachers and a comfortable environment that eases the minds of children. Our school integrates culture, visual art, music, school chimes and sports. Our students participated in world record yoga classes, national level chess competitionships and skating. We achieved Grade 10 100% results every year. We ensure learning, not just schooling. St. Mary's Cbse Senior Secondary School, Batwadi, Tumkur. Admissions open. Contact 0816 405 1187 and 7483 668819.